Can a simple number tell a complex story? Can a single data point encapsulate the enormity of climate change? Welcome to the intricate world of climate data, where numbers speak louder than words. Imagine, for a moment, the year 2023. The global average temperature was 1.2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. That might not seem like a significant increase, but this seemingly small rise in temperature has far-reaching effects. Consider the Arctic, where the average annual air temperature has increased by more than twice the global rate over the last 50 years. This rise in temperature has led to a decline in sea ice extent and thickness. In fact, the Arctic is projected to be ice-free during summer before the middle of the century. Now, turn your attention to the oceans. The top 100 meters of the ocean have warmed by more than 0.6 degrees Celsius since the late 1970s. This warming leads to sea level rise, ocean acidification, and more intense and frequent extreme weather events. As for our atmosphere, the concentration of carbon dioxide has increased by over 40% since pre-industrial times, reaching unprecedented levels in human history. This increase primarily stems from fossil fuel combustion and deforestation. Then there's the issue of rainfall. The global average rainfall has increased by about 1% since the early 20th century, but this increase isn't evenly distributed. Some regions are becoming wetter, leading to flooding, while others are becoming drier, leading to droughts. And let's not forget about the biodiversity loss. Around 1 million animal and plant species are threatened with extinction, many within decades, due to climate change and other human activities. The evidence is clear: climate change is happening, and it's happening now. In this video, the story of climate change was told through data. It began with the global average temperature rise, then moved to the changes in the Arctic and the oceans. The discussion continued with the increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration and changes in rainfall patterns. Finally, the narrative ended with the threat to biodiversity. The numbers paint a stark picture of a planet under stress. They tell a tale of melting ice, rising seas, warming oceans, intensifying weather events, shifting rainfall patterns, and disappearing species. Remember, every data point represents a piece of the climate change puzzle, and when these pieces come together, they form a picture that should concern us all. This is the power of data. This is the story of climate change.